How to leave a group on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Now go ahead and tap on the category of groups. From here, go ahead and tap on your groups option on top. Now over here you can see all the groups you have joined. Just tap on a group you wish to leave. Once you come over here, go ahead and tap on the three dots icon. Now over here you will be able to see Leave Group. So just tap on it. Now on this pop-up, go ahead and tap on Leave Group option. Once you do so, you will successfully be able to leave a group on Facebook. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.